Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia World. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove dirty marking on your objects, and I will be using pumice stone here to remove the dirty marks. So I got this beautiful unbreakable plate from Lagos, Nigeria, and unfortunately the body of the plate are very dirty, as you can see, and I've been trying to remove this but I couldn't. Then I remembered I have this pumice stone at home. Then I tried to use it on the dirty marking, and as you can see, this is so dirty you can't use normal sponge to remove it. So what I did was I used the pumice stone. I rub it on all the dirty markings, and you need to rub it very well, and this will actually leave no marking or scratches on your objects. So I rub it on it very well to get rid of all the dirty markings and stains on this plate, and this was exactly what I did. The only mistake I made was I forgot to remove my wedding ring. If you're doing this, please remember to remove your wedding ring so that you don't get some markings on your wedding ring or band. So now I've used the pumice stone, and now I'm just washing it off, and the plate is sparkling clean. Oh yeah, can you see this? This is sparkling clean. This is the way, a simple, easy DIY way how you can get rid of marking stain that will not technically remove by you using normal sponge. So you can grab a pumice stone and you use it to clean this up, and this was exactly what I did, and this is clean, as you can see. If you like this, let me know. Love you. Bye for now. Yeah.